Catty, a red jelly. Mmm, delicious. Red. Catty, now you're red. So cute. It suits you. Wow! Another jelly. Yellow. Catty, now you're yellow. Oh, more jellies. Red and yellow, together they become orange. And orange is also the name of this tasty fruit. Orange. Your color is back. Hi, kids. Is anyone there? Oh, hi, Granny. Wow, that looks great. What is it? What's going on? That is madness. Oh, I get it. How cool. It is a jungle animalarium with many animals living in this ecosystem. And we have to build them. It's super fun. Shall we start? Let's build the leopard. Whoops! Looks like this is broken, Granny. It's happening again, Granny. And look at the strange outcome. It's a leofrocan, rare mix between leopard, frog, and toucan. Only seen in this animalarium. Let's find the body and legs that correspond to that little head. Most mammals, like this leopard, have their bodies covered with hair. So let's look for a very hairy body. Let's turn the panel. There it is. As you can see, the leopard's body has spots. They help them to camouflage themselves in the undergrowth to hunt better. Now it's time to find the tail. Beautiful elephant specimen, leopard and elephant. It could work as a character in a scary movie. Although I don't think the leopard can walk very well with those feet. Let's keep looking. I think someone lost their chameleon tail. Next. This candidate doesn't even have a tail. Or even a single hair. This isn't what we're looking for either. Although, you have to admit that it doesn't look bad at all. This tail seems to fit better. Shall we check it out? Does it have spots? Yes! And it has hair too. So, do you think it's the leopard's tail? Yay! Yes! There we have our fierce and beautiful leopard. Have you seen how well it looks? Do you want to take a picture? Hey, what happened here, Granny? The leopard has to be rebuilt again. This is an Alloraplian. Frog Partlian? Leoraphant. Tuparlian. Elephracan. Fragracan. Leofragpant. Tuparlian. Galliford. I don't even know what I'm saying. Oh, Granny. What if we ask the children what's happening? Do you know what happened, children? Is someone changing the panels? Spooky! I don't think Granny heard you. Let's say it louder. Spooky! What are you thinking about, Granny? Where are you going? Aha! She got you! You'll see! Run, Spooky, run! You know you can't mess with Granny! Hi, Kangoo! What are you going to teach us today? The colors of the vehicles! Great! What colors are in your palette? Pink, blue, green, yellow, and white. Let's see what we're going to paint today. A school bus, a police car, and a fire truck. Yeah! Fire trucks are the coolest, Kangoo! Let's color! What color is the bus that takes you to school? That's it! Yellow! Now it's time to paint the police car. All right, Kangoo! The police car is blue. Ready to protect the streets. We only have the fire truck left. It's very easy to guess its color. Of course, they're red. What's the matter, Kangoo? Can't find the red? Let's check again the colors of your palette. Pink, blue, green, yellow, and white. It's true, there's no red. Oh, what can we do now? What are you thinking, Kangoo? Oh, I see. If you mix pink with yellow, you'll get red. Time to color. I love it, Kangoo. Voila! See you in the next painting class, kids.
Ah!